In this video, I'm going to outline top cryptos that I'm watching during this bull run. So the first one is Constellation. You can check what this crypto is all about on CoinMarketCap. You can see the name right there. So one of the reasons why I'm watching this very closely is because of a shift in market structure. The first thing I like to see is a shift in market structure, either on the daily, weekly, or monthly time frame. And right here, as you can see, price has been trending to the downside. Overall, we're still bullish. But as you can see, price has been trending to the downside right here on the intraday levels and then created a high, a low, and we broke this structure. So all I wanted to see was for price to come down and mitigate this position. This right here is a perfect entry position. All I'm anticipating is either price will mitigate the bodies of this last down close candle or run the sell side liquidity. Two things, it's either it's mitigating the bodies or it's running the liquidity. And then after that, I'll anticipate to see a continuation to the upside. First target is going to be this inefficiency resting right here. I wouldn't be surprised to see it smash through this first target. And after that, the next target is going to be the low resistance liquidities resting right here. So you can see that very nicely. So once price comes to that position, that would be my second target to the upside. Then if price should smash through these positions, closing above it, then I wouldn't be surprised to see an all-time high. So the second one I'm watching as well is DSLA protocol. So DSLA protocol, you can check on CoinMarketCap what this coin is all about. And as you can see as well, we've been trending to the downside, creating lower highs and lower low, lower highs and lower low before we saw this expansion, broke significant structures. You can see that right here, broke significant structure. But the reason I have my high in my structural break right here is because if you go to the monthly time frame, you can see it clear as day. Price created a lower high and a lower low, a lower high and a lower low, and eventually broke this structure. And after breaking this structure, all I want to see is a retest. And right here, an inefficiency, price came to the downside, feel the inefficiency, expanded higher, failed to mitigate this inefficiency, then it dropped down again, ran sell side liquidity. So I wouldn't really be surprised to see an expansion to the upside, potentially. First target is going to be this key level right here. And then my second target is going to be this inefficiency resting right here. And if this inefficiency doesn't act as a resistance zone to send us to the downside, then the next key level I'm going to be anticipating to see price get to would be an all-time high. Then the third one is Vector Space AI. Right here is Vector Space AI. So as you can see, the symbol is VXV. And as you can see as well on the weekly time frame, right here on the weekly time frame, we'll have a swing high and a swing low, and price broke structure. So I wanted to see price come back into this last down close candles, mitigate the bodies of the candle very beautifully. Price came down there. So if I wanted to get into this coin, this is where I would get into this coin right here in anticipation for a continuation to the upside. But also take note, we'll have this inefficiency. Usually my buy zone is from the bodies of the candle. Price could mitigate the bodies of the candle and then continue higher. Or sometimes price could want to run the sell side liquidity before a continuation to the upside. But personally, I'm watching this very closely for this bull run in 2024. Another one I'm also watching is Ichi. This is a very high risk asset. You can check what the company is all about, what the project is all about on CoinMarketCap as well. And the reason I'm interested in this one is also because on the weekly time frame, as you can see, it's been trending to the downside massively. It's had a massive crash to the downside. And then right here, we created a low, created a high, and then we dropped down, then expanded higher, breaking structure. So if I want to get into this, I'll most preferably want to get into it at $2. So right now, I'm not in this one, but I'm watching it very closely. So these are the coins I'm watching in this bull run. If you find it insightful, give it a thumbs up, or you can follow us for more.